am privileged to invite the conscience of common Nigerians, the voice of the voiceless. SYMFONI, one the number. My leader, my friend, my compatriot and my comrade, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Mr. Project of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and in Africa. Governor, Wike.
So project him Wike do. Now so project him Wike do. Now so project him Wike do. Now so project him Ice water. The people they say, look at what they say. The Abia State Governor said is a boy. That's what they said, not me. The Abia State Governor is a boy. Wike is a boy. Sheyi is a boy. Autumn is a boy. Anyway, say boy. See what the boys are doing. See what the boys are doing. Tell them that are the men, they should show us what they have done. Not so. They said Ibazu is a boy. Why is he a boy? Because Ibazu said, look, agreement is a agreement. Agreement is a agreement. You told me you would do this. Now the time has been for you to do it. You don't want to do it. You see good? You see good? No. Now, what is the problem? Ibazu said, look, my brother, you don't shall give this one. You shall this one, you give Atuku. You shall this one, you give Okowa. You shall this one, you give Salade. Which one I shall give Ibazu? Not so. Not so. Yendeba. Thank you, Ice. So, what Ibazu and Co are saying, when you are sharing senior president to social person, you share secretary to government to social person. Which one have you given to the people of Abia? Not so. Not so. Simple. Simple. There's no two ways about it. So anybody, look, nobody should bother about any abuses of me. Do you understand me? I'm too much for abuses. In fact, I don't even know whether they abuse myself. Don't bother yourself. If they're right, let them put everything on social media and abuse me. We will know who is relevant or not at the appropriate time. Politics is not to go on pages of newspaper. Politics is not to go and buy television spots and talk. Politics is who will deliver at the appropriate time. That is what is key. If you like, abuse me from here till tomorrow night, far. What is important is when the time comes, we will know. When the jungle matures, we will know. We will know those who can stand crisis. We will know those who will face crisis. We will know those who have capacity to say this is where our state will go. If I was one of those governors that have capacity to decide what the people of Abia State will do. So, I want to appeal to all of you, don't bother yourself. Nobody should carry propaganda against you. Don't bother. Politics is what? Propaganda. Do you understand me? Politics is what? propaganda. In fact, when I wake up in the morning and nothing has been said against me, I'm worried. Because it makes me happy when I read newspapers, I tune on the television, they are talking about who? Wike. That is so. Every morning, every night, I just sit by myself, I tell my wife what has happened. See you, they are talking about you. So it makes me happy. So please, I appeal to them. Don't stop. Continue to talk about Wike. Talk about Wike. So, my dear people of Abia, this was summer Flyover or something. Come on. Some people believe it will be an abandoned project. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Instead of you to pray for the governor to succeed in doing something good for the people, your prayer is that it should be abandoned project. Wherever you are, whoever you are, shame, shame, shame.
That should be shame unto you. All power belongs to Jesus. That should be shame unto you. All power belongs to Jesus. That's in a gangaru Osisioma. All power belongs to Jesus. That should be shame unto you. Eyes. All power belongs to Jesus.
And let me also thank you for giving me this opportunity with my people to come here, because each time I invite you, you do not hesitate to come. And when I came back yesterday, where I went to enjoy myself, you know, life is full of enjoyment now. So that is why, as they pain them, they sweet me. Don't be so. As I talk now, they pain them, they sweet me. As they sweet me, they pain them. So I just come out few days go enjoy my life. They say I go BT, my brother. My business as I did now. When I walk, I go enjoy. Don't be so.
Okay, see, Basum Pepe demo. I said Pepe demo. Okay, see, Basum Pepe demo. Pepe demo. That's all we can. Pepe demo. Nice.
So I just came back. I said, I boss. It doesn't matter. I must be here today. I also appreciate you, because my Bible says, you do for me, I do for you. If you fall for me, I fall for you. So you have been doing for me. Me too, I should come and do for you. Life is like that, maybe so. If you hate me, I hate you. In fact, I was in the plane with him and we were discussing. He said, why won't I leave this thing for God? I said, what do you mean by that? Why are you overcrowding God? God has given me what it takes for me to crush these people, for me to crush my enemies, and you are telling me I should leave it for God. No, God has given me what it takes. God has so many things to do. They are the ones I should do. They are the ones I will call God. Now that I know I have the capacity to flog these small boys, flog them. You want me to go and leave it for God? I won't do that one. I'm going to flog them pepperly. So, anybody who does not understand that, let him know that I'm not going to wait at all. All those ones who are talking in my state, just calm down. Melembe, calm down. Why? Don't be so. Why? When we start campaign, we'll know who is who. Who is what? Who? Not be mouth. Not be mouth.